If my filter gets dirty for my P34 intake, is there an option for me to buy a new filter, or do you recommend that I just clean it? We recommend that you clean it. There's nothing wrong with cleaning it. It's a cotton gauze type material that's very cleanable. It's not made from paper, so it doesn't break down like paper. However, you can also buy a new one if you'd like. We sell them on our website. We should be cross-linking to,
We are entirely
yeah.
cross-linked.
So if you go to the intake you purchased and look for the also recommended products, and you should see a replacement filter there. They're not that expensive, so if you just want to buy a new one, knock yourself out. If you'd like to clean it, you can do that too.
The cleaning kit is available on that product page as well. It's a lightly oiled setup, not nearly as heavily oiled as some of the others.
It's not considered an oil filter by any means.
Yeah, not by the common convention.
Yeah.